This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Only second time offered on market since 1964. All brick one-level home with new replacement windows, transferrable lifetime warranty, amazing hardwood floors and amp, finished basement. Separate living room plus family room on main level. Galley kitchen, recent backsplash installed, kitchen overlooks dining room / family room combo. Interior recently painted and amp, updated light fixtures. Master bath offers new toilet, sink, vanity, shower, fixtures and tile surround. Basement offers terrific flex space plus rec room with wet bar too. Check out mini barn with side playhouse. Rear yard completely fenced with fire pit and open patio with overhead shade screen. Attached garage 24 by 22 with rear service door access to rear yard. Don't overlook basement access, just inside garage from family room door. For more information, review the details below.